I understand you'd like to know about my travel watercolor kits. Well, have you come to the right place? I've been collecting all kinds of little containers to make little watercolor kits, even a matchbox, even this toothpick. I think I'm going to make a watercolor kit out of that. This is an Old Faithful made by Sakura. There's the label, Koi Watercolors. Very nice. Very, very nice. Comes with a palette. It all stacks together, folds up. This one stacks together and folds up too. And in this one, I only bought 3 colors to fill it with. I bought quinacridone red, quinacridone gold, and ultramarine blue. And then by mixing those primaries, I of course got the secondary colors. And this is a lovely little box that folds up very nicely, folds up even smaller, and that's what it's called. You can put any 6 colors in that you want, and I picked 3 and then made my other 3, and I just squeezed the tubes in. This one's terrific. It came empty. These little pans are magnetic, so it stays in the box. It's made by arttoolkit.com, and I just have some of my favorite tube colors in there that I can make anything with. There's not a lot of room for mixing, but it's doable. And of course, you know, you recognize those brushes. Those are fantastic. Then last but not least, my all-time favorite that I put together 40 years ago, and some of the colors have been replaced and some I'm still using because maybe I don't use it that much because I'm distracted by all of these other things. But anyway, this is tried and true. The case had to be replaced. It was, at the time, a gum case for like an organic kind of chewing gum. This is a card case, but it ends up the same size, so that's okay. Here's my palette, because it's hard to tell when you have good pigments what each color actually is. And so I've got my favorite greens. I've got that versatile red. I usually have a warm red and a cool red, and that's what I've got here. And that's a cobalt violet that I just got. So it's brand new. And these were initially bought as manufactured pans, like let's see, like on this one. Those are manufactured pans, half pans. So these are half pans, mostly Winsor Newton, although I'm sometimes switching out with Daniel Smith. And I've got warm browns, cool browns, grays, neutrals. I can mix anything with this. And then I can mix in the lid. That's good enough. I do have to cover it. This is just cut out from the lid of a plastic takeout container. I keep it covered because when I'm finished, they're wet. And I just, you know, want to kind of keep them contained. So I just kind of store it like that and fold it all up. So that's my little brief tour. Except that I found this wonderful box. It's just a box. I think a necklace came in it. And I've got a new set started here. All right, well, happy travel painting. And good luck finding your perfect palette.